In this video we're going to talk about Cape Verde's largest city, its capital, with a population of 165,000 people, and it's Cape Verde's largest island with a population of around 295,000 people. Stands with over 50% of Santiago Island's population, and it has more population than any other island except for the island that it's in, which is Santiago Island. Cape Verde has a population of around 525,000 people at the time of this recording in 2024. So let's check this out. Let's see the re-editing I did. So let's check this out. We are going to begin this video with the iconic Praia letters on the edge of Plateau, on the entrance of Plateau. By the way, Praia means literally in Portuguese, beach. I had some good times while I was in Cape Verde. Now this is Prainha, which means literally small beach in Portuguese. There you have the infamous lighthouse in Prainha. Prainha is also, this is all in Prainha. Prainha is also one of Cape Verde's neighborhood. It's also its smallest neighborhood, I believe. But it is a ritzy area in Cape Verde. I mean, in Praia. Here you have this sunset, and you can see. Here you have a few. You got little restaurants that look like that. This is Kebra Canela. Right here, Praia's most infamous beach. That's where everybody goes. This is Plateau. As you can see, it's written over there on the rock, Kebra. Plateau again. Now this is Gamboa, and on the end you will see a building which is still being constructed. It's supposed to be the largest casino in Africa. It stopped construction due to the guy in Macau having some legal issues. Anyway, this is Praia's second largest stadium. The largest one is on the outskirts of Praia, and it's also the national stadium of Praia. In case you don't know, Praia was spelled with a Y, not an I, as you can see over there in the beginning. And it initially was a port, a clandestine port for people to evade paying tariffs to the Portuguese crown. Now Santiago Island has a population of 295,000 people. It is a Sotavento Island. The Sotavento Islands are Mayo, which means May, Santiago, which is this island, Fogo, which means fire because of the volcano. There you go, Plateau. And this is Avenida Cidade, Lisboa, Avenue of City of Lisbon. I'm sorry, I'm going back and forth. And the other Sotavento island is Brava, which can mean brave, a brave female, or chaotic. And I think it got its name for its chaotic. I'm forgetting the words, folks. But the water is kind of chaotic. So there you have the big building in the middle over there. That's supposed to be, or it was supposed to be, the largest casino in Africa. Now at night there are various points where you could go out, namely ๊pɾajхдh, that's a neighborhood, and ๊pɾajhdh Center, or in Kebra Canela. Kebra Canela is where most people go out now. When I first went there in 2019, it was more spread out places where you went, and as new clubs and restaurants were built over the past 5 years, most people now just go to Kebra Canela or they go to Praia shopping center, which I have a video about that when it first opened up. You could check it out. So I'm gonna tell you this, I wish I had better shots, but doing drone shots at night is not an easy task. Kid you not. I would have to put on lights on my drone to know where it is. So, and then you have the image quality, which makes it darker for you to get these drone shots. Now this is Plateau. Now that street that you see there with the, around Plateau didn't exist before. It didn't exist, I believe, 20 years ago. So you would have to drive through Plateau to get to the other side of the city. Now this is the beautiful bay of Gamboa, and that is the shipping port. You can get ferries there. That's for import boats that import stuff come through. This is also part of Gamboa. Now behind it there's a building. I don't know if that is the Assembly building or if it's the other one. I know one is the Assembleia. I believe it's this building up on top, lit up in yellow. Here you have it. Beautiful, beautiful bay. Unfortunately, the government granted for hotels to be built on top of the beach. And I find it a shame, because pretty soon Praia, which means beach, pretty soon it's not going to have any beaches. Even Kebra Canela, which is relatively a small beach, there are clubs and pubs and restaurants being built all over. This is Prainha again, and it has a restaurant right on it. Once again, this is Avenida Cidade, Lisboa. This is the main avenue of Praia. That building again, I don't know if that's the Assembly or that's, I know it's one of the two main buildings. So that's Avenida Cidade, Lisboa again. And now we are seeing up on top Praia's largest neighborhood, Cidade Santo Antônio. I don't know what Cidade means, but Santo Antônio means Saint Anthony. This is one of the government buildings. And I believe this one is the Assembly, the one that I spoke to before on top. Now Praia has a problem, because it is growing so fast that it's hard for the authorities to stop from people to make buildings. So some of them are kind of risky, because Praia